Okay, so we're actually going to go to hostgator.com. So this is the company we're going to go through to host our website. We also get the domain through them, so that they have a server that will store our website, and then they also can provide us with a domain. So we actually want to go to hostgator.com/unlock. So just remember to put that unlock in there in the URL. And then go down, and we're going to use the hatchling plan, I believe, unless you have more than one domain that you want to use, but I think this hatchling plan will be perfectly fine. So just go to buy now. If we go in here, this is for if you already own a domain, but I think we're going to just go with we are getting a new domain. So I'm just going to put in, and the domain is actually the URL. And then we probably want to go with the .com if they have it. So this domain is not available because I've already purchased it. So .com, so I'll just put a 2 in there. So this will be my domain name, marywarddesign.com or 2.com. And then they try to sell you more versions. And it's actually quite expensive. It's an extra $15 a year. So there's a kind of a tricky little spot right here. Make sure you uncheck this because they're trying to make you pay a little bit more for like privacy protection. And you probably might get a few extra spam emails in your inbox from unchecking this, but really they eventually go away and it's not that big of a deal. So, I mean, if you want to pay the additional $15 for a little bit of extra privacy, you can, but I don't think it's going to be a huge deal it's not a huge deal to uncheck this. Make sure you go with the hatchling. You might want to go with the 1 month. I would suggest either the 1 month or the 1 year plan. And then just fill this in. Fill in your email, confirm your email, your password. Remember your password. Write this down. Put in a security pin. Write this down as well. Do not forget these 2 things here. And then enter your billing information. So you'll need a credit card to get this going. You can also use PayPal, I guess. And then just uncheck these things. We don't need these extra things that are billed annually. They're actually quite expensive. Make sure this is in here and unlocked. So the $10 a month is going to be for the month-to-month plan. If we go up here and change it to the 12-month plan, the year plan, it'll be $33 up front, but that's for the whole year. So it's kind of up to you to decide which one you want to go with. I think I might just go with the 1 month plan and maybe keep it up for like 2 months. So it'll cost me like $20, but eventually, obviously, you'll have to contact HostGator and tell them to cancel your plan. Otherwise, they're going to keep on charging you this $10 a month. So you probably have to check this, and then you can do a checkout now. And that's basically the process for getting your domain name and hosting.